In this video, I am going to show you how to sideload apps on Fire TV Stick with Downloader. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Go to the Fire TV home screen. Use your remote to navigate to find. Then go to search on the menu bar in the middle of the screen. Step number 2. Now type a downloader without the quotes. Using the on-screen keyboard, you should see the app suggestions on the list as you begin typing. When you see downloader, select and click it. Step number 3. You should now see downloader under the apps and games section. Go ahead and click it. Step number 4. Click the get or download button to download and install the app. You should have the app in no more than a couple of minutes. Once the app is installed, you can access it from your apps and channel section. How to prepare Fire Stick to use downloader and sideload apps. Step number 1. Launch your Fire Stick home screen and navigate to the settings icon. Step number 2. Scroll down to the My Fire TV tile and click on it. Step number 3. Click on Developer Options. Step number 4. You will see one of the following two options depending on your Fire Stick device version. Option number 1. Install unknown apps. Click it and proceed to the next step to enable downloader. Option number 2. Apps from unknown sources. Click this option and then click turn on the following prompt. Skip the next step. Step number 5. Navigate to downloader and select to turn it on. Note, this window will not appear if your device displays option 2 in the previous step. Step number 1. Select the app icon on the home screen. In the middle menu bar, the icon on the right with 3 squares and a plus sign. You may also click the similar button if you have one on your remote. Step number 2. Scroll down and click downloader. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.